Hi everyone, I mentioned on a previous video that I was going to work on this pattern. Reason being, it turns up in lots of different styles from the African diaspora, so although it's come from Africa, it turns up in throughout Cuban music and throughout Brazilian music. And for me, being able to hear that is of fundamental importance amongst percussionists. So a lot of the different styles will have this as the key rhythm. And when you're playing in those circumstances, really your ideal is that you can hear how your pattern fits directly with the bell pattern. You don't want to go through this mathematical process where you go, well, my rhythm fits like this with the pulse and the bell fits like that with the pulse, so I need to know where that is. Ideally, you just want to be knowing that relationship and getting into the play. But having said that, you've got to go through a process of learning. So this is me kind of offering a lesson on maybe how to break down this pattern. So we're going to try and put 4 beats to it. We're going to put a pulse of 4 underneath the pattern. So if you can already do that, spend time with it, you can play 3 against it, whatever, 3, 6, 12, kind of make your choices. But if you're new to it, maybe this will help break it down. So I'm going to go 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 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 1. 4 pulses here, and for each you've got 3 subdivisions. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. This bell pattern is starting on the 1 now on the first beat. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 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 1. So I think this relationship is quite a fundamental one, really important that people can feel that within the music. So it's my recommendation as a place to start.